Hey everybody, my toilet is out. The handle was broken, the lever, so I got a white one from Korky. The brand is Korky. It's a heavy duty handle and lever. Right here I got it installed. I wanted to get a white one to kind of match the tank, and I also wanted a strong one because I don't want to have to do this again for maybe ever, right? I highly suggest that you take a look at their instructions. They have a nice little helpful little video right here with the QR. So you scan the QR, pops up a YouTube video. Basically these little things right here are clips that hold the little pieces in. So you just pull these out and you pull it apart, and you put the handle in right here and the little knob, and then you can screw the piece back on this side, the little knob piece right here. And then after you do that, you put these little pieces together, the two black pieces, the elbow and the lever, and then you can slide these little pieces in, and you're gonna have to adjust based on your tank. And then you have to, of course, get the chain, the little hook from the chain. If your flapper's still good, mine's still good, and you just, there you go, turn the water back on. I got some little pieces of plastic from the previous lever. I had a hard time getting the lever off, the old one that was right here, but I got it. There we go. All right, there you go. So I think I should be able to put the top back on from the toilet here. Let me flush it one more time. Got a nice little spring mechanism here. It's working pretty good. Get the top to the toilet. Now I do notice that the lever may hit the top of the toilet probably whenever I flush it. Let's see. Should work. Very good. Now this lever is metal, all right? So a plastic piece will break over time. That's basically what happened to my other one. So this lever is going to last a long time, and we've got it fixed. So I am pleased. It looks like I'm going to be good to go for a long time. So this again is from Korky, heavy duty handle and lever. If you're having a problem in your house with this, you may want to check one of these out like I got.